everyone, today I want to show you my squiggly collection of 4 pendants I made a while ago. I made these with polymer clay. The chains are made with silver plated chain and they have some nice big lobster clasps, so they're easy to open, as you can see. And I made these from well, you could call it scrap clay from a different project, from my dichroic pendants, and I quite like the way the colors mushed up. And you can see the silver foil here and the translucent clay here. The bails were also made with silver plated wire. And all pendants have been varnished to give it a bit of a glossy appearance. And this one is the odd one out because it's not really squiggly, but I quite like it anyway. So you can wear it either that way or you turn it around that way, whichever side you prefer. All these pendants are available on my website for £21. Thank you for watching, and until next time, bye!